This is not the size of the logo. Okay, I'm going to make use of this space to design logos. Right. How shall we design logos and what are the components we need to have? We need to have some shapes, fundamental shapes. Before that, let us have an idea of logo from the internet. Look at here. These are all logos. These are all various logos by different companies. Various logos by different companies. Some are very simple, some are complicated. See, some maybe for formal logos, institution logos. See, look at here, institution logos. See here. See, this institution has a book and maybe 5-star there on the top, here, and the university name. Likewise, there are so many. See here. In this logo, there are 4 components. In a circle, they've got kind of Bible or book. Here, there are 2 things, right? Okay, these are all few models of logos, institutional logos. Okay, shall we establish our own? See here. Okay, see here. Different university, Anna University, see there is National Institute of Rourkela Technology, NIT, Rourkela, Odisha. These are all different varieties of logos, right? Institution logos. That looks like, see here. Okay, we shall go ahead. Now look at here, just below the text box, text tool, there is an arrow mark, arrow path selection tool. And here we have got shapes. Here we have got shapes. I will explore you all the shapes. You know how to just draw this one. See, I'm able to move it. How to draw this? You know that. Okay, this is rectangle. Okay, see here. The next one is rounded rectangle. The corners are, not sharp. Rounded rectangle. That is the difference between the first one and the second one. Right? Okay. Now look at here, when I can make it bigger, make it smaller, all these things, I need not explain you, right? When you want to change the shape, see, for example, I want to change the shape. 1 minute, please listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Yeah, I've got this rectangle. Okay, I've got this rectangle. Right now, what do? I just press Control T. Press Control T. And click on the top. Look at here. I've clicked on the top. Now you can see here. You can change it as you like. For example, are you able to get it? See here. See, some of you asked, no, how did you make this? Maybe some curved designs, no? Curved designs. See here. Am I clear to you? Some curves. Maybe you can now. It can reduce. Am I clear to you? Some curved designs. Am I clear to you? Once again,
can you repeat once again?
Yeah, I shall do that. You know how to do this? Yeah, this is 1 minute. I'm doing it again. See, I'm drawing a rectangle. Am I clear to you? I've drawn a rectangle, right? Now look at here. I just press Control T, and from here, see, I just click over here. See here, it is here. Click over here. Click here, and you can change any of these. For example, look at here. I would like to change this. See, I would like to change this. Okay, see here. Am I clear to you? See, look at here. Have I made it? Am I clear to you? See, I have made a simple diagonal. Like, I can keep it anywhere. See, for example, I want to keep it like this. See, I can keep it like this also. Am I clear to you? See, if I take one more. See, I'm taking one more. I'm taking one more and change the color. See, color overlay. Maybe you can keep yellow color and keep it at the back. Keep it at the back. Now, how do I keep it at the back? Control Shift. See, I can keep it at the back. Now, look at here. I can keep it here. Now, how many? See here. Am I clear to you? So you wanted to know how to make an arc and all that, no? diagonal it and all these things, you can do it like this. Am I clear to you? So it's up to you, dear friends. It is up to you to make your own corrections. Once again, I shall do that. Control T, click here on the top, and you will be able to make your own sizes. Right? Okay. I just click here. See here, I can make it. See. Am I clear to you? See. You can even adjust this. See. Anyway, however you want, you can make it. It is up to you. So you should be very clear enough to make your own designs. Now look at here. See, this is a kind of design. Am I clear to you? So you should be clear enough to make your own your own circle, your own shape, right? Okay, I will throw more light on that in the maybe final week to have some tricks. Okay, now to show you, look, I'm sorry. We have got rounded rectangle, we have got ellipse. See, we have got ellipse. See, I just draw an ellipse. Am I clear to you? See, I'm drawing an ellipse with the same color. It looks like a design. Am I clear to you? With the same color, it looks like a design. See, I'm able to make it. Am I clear to you? Okay. You can even change the color if you want. Change the color, right? For example, I just bring another one on. Making another one. See. Like this, you can make your own design. So this is circle. And this is polygonal. See here, polygon.
Morning, dear staff and students. Kindly stand by for set of announcements.
Kindly hold on for a minute.
Announcements from Training and Placement Cell. Lumina Data Matrix Puducherry will conduct the campus interview for final year PG and PhD of Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Botany, Chemistry and Physics on 22nd March 21. Students concerned are asked to register their names in the placement office on or before 21st March 21. HealthFlix Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore will conduct a virtual interview for all UG final year students. Students concerned are advised to refer the circular for further details. Backus Technologies Private Limited will conduct a telephonic interview for the students who have already registered in the placement office. The students are selected by Healthcare Insurance Religare. 15 students are selected from BCom, 2 students from BBA, 3 students from BSc Computer Science, 2 from BSc Mathematics, 1 from BCA, 1 from BA English, 1 from MCom CA, and 1 from HR. Hearty congratulations to the students. The glad news that 9 of our UG students have secured ranks in the university rank examination held on 14 March 2021 at Bharathasan University, Trichy. 4 first ranks and 2 third ranks. Harshan B of Commerce, University first rank. Satishian first rank. Nandakumar of Mathematics first rank. Prasanna K of Electronics first rank. Yoshika of History Department third rank. Srini Ethan S from Botany third rank. Aravind B from English fifth rank. Balakrishnan BR ninth rank and Dinesh Kumar S ninth rank. There is a notice for final year outgoing students. All the final year outgoing students, third UG, second PG are asked to verify and update your personal details for transfer certificate on convocation in your ERP account on or before 31st March 2021. Announcement from St. Joseph's Institute of Tally Education. The institute will be officially inaugurated on Friday at 11 a.m. commemorating the feast of our patron Saint St. Joseph. Inaugural function will be held online using Zoom platform. All the students who have enrolled for the Tally Certificate program are asked to join the inaugural function by 10:45 a.m. on Friday. The link will be sent through the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Okay, the announcement is over. Now look at here. I'm back. you are able to see a polygonal tool. Okay, polygon. You know how the polygon shape you can make use for logo design, right? And you have line tool. See, you can draw a line. You can draw a vertical line or a horizontal line. Any way you want. If you want a straight line, you have to press Shift key. If you want to press straight line, you will have to press Shift key. Now, this is where very important thing that we are going to see is that the next one is custom shape. I click here. I click the last tool of shape tool. These are all shape tool. Okay, these are all come under shape. Okay, when I click here, you will have all these. The last option is custom shape. See, custom shape, you will make it here. Look at here. See, when you click the shape, you will have so many shapes available, right? You will have only few now. You want to add means what should you do? See, click here. Click this small arrow here. Click here. See, there are so many. All. Click all. Click all and append. You will have all the logo, all the shapes that could be available are listed here. Everything. Okay, am I clear to you? It is available. Shall we go for designing a logo now? Okay. Can you just give me a motto? Based on that, we'll go for designing a logo. Maybe for an institution. Okay, for an institution. Okay. Shall we have a base? Yes. See here. Shall we take this as a base? See, this is. You can even make it vice versa. See, sorry, horizontally oriented. Sorry, vertically oriented. See, I can take this. I have taken this. I can change the color later. I can change the color later. See here, I've taken this. I can take it anywhere. See, this is only a model. I recommend you to have your own logo, right? See, I can design it. Yeah. Can we keep it like this? Yeah. I would like to keep it like this. Now it is kept. Now, my dear friends, we want to have both the sides maybe like an arc like. Okay, arc like, right? So I just go to custom shape and choose a arc like, which will be better. You just choose here. Otherwise, if you don't find anything, then we'll have our own. Just search for the tool whichever is better. See, you can even use, see, for example, see these tool also can be used, see, for logo. You can make use of this tool for logo. Instead of this polygon, no, you can make use of that tool. See, for example, you can keep it here, make it bigger, and you can also use it. Okay, you can make it. Am I clear to you? Right now, I'm using only this tool, but I want you to have your own creativity. Don't follow me. What I'm doing, you have your own creativity, and you have to do simultaneously the design. Okay, just look at there, just arc like. Curved arc like. We don't find here, so I just get the help of internet, right? I go to internet and logo arc. Arc design for logo. So I may take anything which may be suitable. See, sometimes we will not get it exactly what we search, so we may search for an arc. Okay, maybe. You should be careful. You, for example, when you choose an arc, no, it should not be a copyrighted images. See, you can think of, if you don't find it good, then we shall move on for searching. Am I clear to you? See, we have got the arc. Okay, see, this is common arc. It doesn't belong to anyone. It doesn't belong to anyone. It is very common. So I would like to take this. And how do I remove the background? When I copy here, see what happens. When I copy here, what happens? See, it comes here. I just use, it is deleted fully. So what should I do? I have to copy this, right click, save this image and put it in the desktop. And I want to go to remove PG. Remove PG, upload the image, and the background will be removed easily, right? I go to the desktop and copy this file, this arc. The background will be removed. See, in a minute, the background is removed. I download it and go back to Photoshop, open the file, make use of the file. It is in the downloads folder. It is in the downloads folder. Yeah. See here, with the move tool or select tool, I will be able to move it, right? I can cut this in both sides. See, for example, I can make it bigger. I can make it bigger. If it doesn't go good, see what I do. I just cut this both separated. See, look at here. I select it with the marquee tool, Control X and Control V. See, I've got one side. See, I've got one side. Okay, I just reduce it. I can keep it here. I delete this. See, I can make it a little more bigger. See, okay, I have made it. Now I want one copy of the same. See, I have made a copy. Now I want to turn this side. How should I do it? Edit, transform, flip horizontal. See, it comes this side. I keep it like this. Okay, I keep it like this. So it has come. If you want to make it, you can even bring it down. If you don't like it, you can even bring it down. See here, you can even bring it up till here. Am I clear to you? You can even adjust little more so that it fits exactly into the gap. Okay, right. Now I want this one, the same to make it the other side. So delete this, the left side. I take this, make a duplicate. Alt key. By pressing Alt key. Now what do? I go to edit, transform, and change flip horizontal. Right. I take this. You can make a move with the arrow tool, and take the grid lines, so that it will help you to keep it exactly in the right place. Right. I have kept it. Okay. Right. I have made it. Now we have to make the things that we have to keep inside. Okay, we have made it, and give me a name of the institution, or what have we keep in here inside. Now I have to make it colorful. Maybe we can go for the colors later. Don't go for the colors. Go for the colors later. Now we have to concentrate the things that we need to keep inside. What kind of, if it is institution, some book may be kept, no? Some book. So I go to internet again. Book. And book, you'll have to go for, go for tools. Go for tools here. And type. See, go for clip art. Go for clip art. Clip art means, see, some book like, it is not exactly book, but book like, see, get book like drawing. I get this, copy, and put it here. See, I have made it inside. I just cut the outer portion. Now, white portion, how can I remove the white one? I just delete and remove that. I keep it in one space. Okay, it is an institution. I have kept a book here, and maybe a Christian institution, maybe they will keep cross or something else. So if for example, if it is Christian institution, what do? They go for cross. Okay, Otherwise, even you can think of maybe your own saint or somebody, maybe the person in whom you are starting an institution. Maybe imagine if it is by some maybe Abdul Kalam University. So why don't we think of Abdul Kalam's picture here? You can very well bring it. See, for example, I'm just looking for this Abdul Kalam's picture. Yeah, it's here, APJ. So I'm taking this. See, it is in tinted line. So I just go with, see here, I have deleted it. Then now I just go with this one. Okay. If it is not good, then go. Let us go with some other image of Kalam. You can again go for tools, type, go for clip, drawing. You can get so many drawings. See, if not a picture of drawing images, or you can draw. I will also give you an option for drawing Kalam. It can be done within one click, right? So what shall we do? Which one shall we pick up? Shall we pick up this one or a real image? You can take anything. So I would like to take up this, right click, copy. I want to have only this portion. Okay, now I'm unable to take it. So what should you do? You have to right click, save image. I've saved it. Go to remove background. Now make use of that tool. And it will remove the background and give you the picture alone. See, Abdul Kalam alone is obtained, right? I download it and make use of it. So don't spend much time in removing the background. It is in downloads folder. See, the removed background. I am taking it here. I keep it here and I remove the bottom. Yesterday I told you this method. With the help of eraser tool, I can do this like this. So I keep it here. Am I clear to you? I can make it little more bigger. And if you want to keep anything here maybe 2 stars can be kept here. No, 2 stars can be kept here. I think stars can be kept here. I go to custom shape here. Go in search of a star. See, I'm taking a star here. I keep it here. I've chosen a star. See here, I just make some other color. For time being, since I keep it, okay, right. I've kept it. Now it's over. APJ University, right? Now we go for colors. Now everything is done. I go for colors. Now I choose the center portion, shape 2, go to layer style, gradient. I want to go for double color. Okay, I want to go for double color. So which will suit? Shall we choose this one? See, or see here. Shall I go for this? Or any color that you like very much. Okay, any color that you like very much. See, these are all available colors, but you can go for any color that you like very much. I've gone for this, right? And here at the bottom, since it is blue color, so I should go along with the color that I've gone. So I would like to go with blue, dark blue base, and the side. See, go to layer style. See, I'm making it with or you can even go for gradient for this. See, I just go for gradient color. Look at here. I can go for gradient color. You change the color. See, you can bring it here. See, it can come this side. Or fully the same color. I've got it. And you can go for outer stroke, maybe a little one. See, stroke, blue color stroke. Okay. The same style I want to copy for this one. So how do you do that? Right click, layer, copy style. I'm sorry. Right click, copy, and take this layer, right click, paste it. So I pasted it, right? And the book I need to change the color. So what is the color that we can go? I go to color overlay and make it, see here, I made it like this. Now what do? I reduce the opacity. See here, I reduce the opacity. See, you get the blue color textbook, right? Blue color, quite blue. And the star, I select it here. I go to layer style, color overlay, and keep dark color. Maybe red color, you can choose red color to just make it visible. Yeah. I can go for white also, white outer glow also. Sorry. I've taken the star, go to layer, outer glow. Now look at here. See, I've given outer glow. See, star. Outer glow for the star. I copy this. I copy and come select this layer 2 and paste it. One minute, I'm sorry. Copy, select this star. See, carefully select it, right? Otherwise it will apply in some other layer. Yeah, I've got it. Right? Okay, I've got it. Now we have to give it at the bottom, APJ Kalam's University. See, carefully note it. I'm typing the text. Text sizes, I keep it as 18 and I choose a formal font. Okay. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam University. Okay, I have typed fully. So I have typed. I keep it in the center alignment. See, I keep it in the center alignment, right? I've got the text. APJ Abdul Kalam University. I want to bend it little more. So how do I do that? Now before I bend it, I just go to color overlay and make it white. See, I made it white color. Now white color suits well. I made it white color. Now what do? 1 minute. Layer, color overlay, and white color. See, I made it. Now look at here. When I click here, when I click select it, on the top you see an arc. Do you see that? Click here and you can pen a little. See, arc is here. You can make it exactly. See here. See, I can make it little more bending. Am I clear to you? See, you can increase the size. Am I clear to you? So I kept it. You can even keep 2 stars here if you want at the bottom also. I'm sorry. You can keep it like this. Okay. Am I clear to you? Right. So the logo is completed. Now we have to make it. Maybe you can put some letters here. Maybe dreams or something like that. Abdul Kalam quotation. You can put it here. Now, okay. Since 1984, something like that, you can put it at the bottom or anywhere you can keep it. Now I'm going to make everything together. All I'm going to unify. So how do I do that? How do I do that? Each one is separately. I see each one is coming separately. Now how do I make it unified? Before I make it unified, I want to take this shape. See, I'm taking this shape, another shape. So how do I make another shape? Look at here. I'm taking another shape, right? With the help of, with the help of Alt key, I made another tool. I just make it little more bigger. Okay. Now go to layer style, and give a blue color, dark blue. And now I make that one, no, the previous one front. See here, I made it little more back. I want to bring it back. I want to bring that Abdul Kalam front, come front. So use arrange. See the book shape to be come forward. You just find it in the layer palette. It will be in the layer palette. Otherwise, if you could remove here, you'll be able to see everything. See, click here and make it front. Click here and make it front. I made it front. Click here, made it front. Click here and make it front. I'm using shortcut key. Okay. Now just use it. See, I want to make this also. I'm sorry. Yes. Now what do? I just keep it here. See, you get an outer line like. Okay, right. Everything is done. Now, if you want this star, otherwise you can erase this star if you don't want, or you can keep some other shape. Click here. You find out some other shape which is meaningful. Maybe this one. Shall we choose this one? Press when you press shift key, it will be proportionate. I'm just going with white color. Taking the same alt, I'm pressing alt key and put it here. One more copy here, just adjacent. Right. I have finished everything. Now I want to make it as a logo. Right. How do I do that? I select every piece of it. Layer 3. I am pressing shift key. Layer 2 copy, Kalam's picture. Shape 3 copy. Layer 2, the bottom Abdul Kalam, the text. Shape 1, shape 4 copy. So everything is selected. Am I clear to you? So everything is selected. Now it is selected. Okay, make it smaller. So a logo is generated. See here, a logo is made. So wherever we can keep it anywhere that you want, right? You can make it bigger. And now I want exactly to this size. I want to crop the file to this size. So crop tool is here. You know what is the purpose of crop tool. So I can choose exactly to this size and it can be cropped. So it should be saved as JPG. I mean JPG, sorry, not JPG image, PST file or TIFF PNG file. You can take this as usually. For example, right click file, save as, Photoshop and PNG. Look at here. You make it PNG or TIFF file. You can make it PNG or TIFF file. Right? PNG file or TIFF file. I'll show you both. So I just make it as PNG file. Logo. Just click OK. Now see here, when I take next time. When I take next time, see, I'll be able to make it. Where is it? Logo L. It is here. So you'll be able to make it. You'll be able to make to others. For example, see here, I'm able to make it a single file. Okay, single logo file. I am able to make it. Right? Am I clear to you? You can save this as a PST file so that it can be edited next time when you want to edit. Am I clear to you? Okay, this is one side. And also you can go for the other type of logos, that is modern logos with the texts. You can have some ideas. Have some ideas in internet. Look at here, logos. See, company or corporate logo. No, look at here. With letters they make it. Be creative. For example, MasterCard. See here, Master logo. See, two rounds. In between, there are some strips. They made it. See, Elvis, they keep the pentagon like. See, there are two arc. Likewise, you be creative. You can have. See here. Here there are. See, they kept these two, three layers of the same and change the color. This is a logo. Be clear, be sure of your own design, and you can make it as you like. Maybe some colorful logos you can make it. For example, I'll give you one. Have you got any clarification with this? Have you got any clarification with this? Have you any clarification how to copy another image? Wisdom for development. I'm sorry, I didn't read it. I didn't read it all your wonderful motto that you have given. Really great. How to copy another image means, Sir Anish, madam, can you please come out with your query? I couldn't get you properly. How to copy another image means from where and
if we want to click Alt key to copy another image, sir.
Yeah, that's what you click Alt and press drag the mouse. You'll be able to get one more. Okay, copy of the same. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. See, for example, look at here, my dear friends. There are so many images here. I will give you one more. See here, there are so many tools. Custom shape here. See, star is here, the pentagon, polygon, or the other shapes are here. You can make use of any shape. See here, this tool is here. See, you can very well go for.
Sir, can you tell from where these shapes are custom is not getting on the toolbar?
Look at
Where
here,
do we
sister.
find,
Look at
sir,
here.
the
Look at here at the bottom. Below all the tools, you have custom shape. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Look at here. Then shape.
Yes, sir.
Click here and you will be able to pick up anything. See here, shape. After clicking that custom shape, you will have the shapes. You go up and down, you will be able to get all the shapes. If you don't get enough and more, click this arrow, small arrow, and click all. Click all and append. You will have some more. Okay. Am I clear to you, madam? Am I clear to you, madam? I think one madam asked, right? See here, I'm taking this. Okay, done it, no? So from here, you can take that arc. Arc is very common design in all the logos, educational institutions. You can keep it and you can take this, change it, and you can change the color completely as you like. Okay, you can change the color completely as you like, right? You can have anything here and you can change the color as usually. Okay, now for example, look at here, I just take this one, go to layer style, gradient overlay. In gradient overlay, see, you can have your own colors. Any number of colors can be kept. See here, colorful logos can be kept. See, like this you can make colorful logos. See, duplicate layer, making a duplicate copy of a layer, go to layer, duplicate layer. So this can be done. Duplicating a layer, go to layer and the first one. It is alternative for pressing Alt key, right? Layer, duplicate layer. I now go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. See, I keep it here. Right. You can even make like this, layer, layer style, gradient overlay. Click here and change it. Change a colorful logo, right? Make it colorful. Okay. Okay, you can make it colorful, but it should be good. Use the aesthetic sense. Don't go for simply colors and it won't be good. So make it meaningful. If you have anything brought inside, that should be brought carefully inside. Maybe your own buildings can be brought, or maybe your structures can be brought, or maybe some uniqueness of the college can be brought, or the maybe the place, uniqueness of the place of the institution may be brought. For example, our college is located in Tiruchirappalli. We have got Rockfort here kept in the logo, so you can bring anything there. Am I clear to you? So I wish you all the best for making a beautiful logos, right? Okay, now so far we have designed this logo, Kalam's logo, right? See here. Am I clear to you? If you are designing your institution, maybe invitations, you can keep it in the corner. See, I can keep it in the corner. See, it looks like a logo, right? Maybe Dr. Abdul Kalam's University. Am I clear to you? See, a small one. Okay, right. Now it is for you to have hands-on. Sir, how can we get one more color in gradient overlay? How to move image without mouse? Arrow mark. Sir, please use arrow mark. Okay, you can use arrow mark to move. And how can you get more colors in gradient? I will explain you. Don't worry. See, I have chosen this shape. Go to layer, layer style, gradient. Click over here. And see here, I've got, see this one. Okay, I've got this one. Right now, see, I've got only 2 colors. If I want to have more colors, click here and I get another color. Right? See here, small knob comes. Click and change the color. See? See, I have got now 3 colors. On the top one, middle white color, and middle I want to have one more color. See, I click here and change the color. Maybe blue color. Am I clear? I want to have one more color. See, I just click here and change the color. Am I clear to you, sir?
Sir, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, sir.
sir, one more doubt, sir. How did you select that arc and center emblem, sir? With both the color you change now, sir.
Which one, pa?
Arc and center emblem.
This arc you are talking about?
Ah, yes, sir. And center image also.
Center separately, pa. I did it separately. I
Okay,
did it
sir.
separately. See, you choose this one separately. Go to layer, layer style, and change the gradient.
Sir, you both select and change color now, sir.
No, I have not done it together, pa.
Okay, sir.
Separately only. If you want to have the same model, for example, look at here. I want to have the same model of this arc. Model here in the center part. Right click. Copy. See, right click. Go to the layer part. Copy layer style. Go to the center one. Right click. Paste it. See, I get the same color as of.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Copy and paste it, pa. Yeah. Same
Yes, sir.
color can be applied. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any other clarification? So how to move image without mouse? Yeah, that's what I told you, no, sir. Sir, do you get me? You can use arrow keys, sir. Sanjay, sir, do you get me? You can use arrow key.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Have you got me, sir? Is that okay?
Sir, can you show me once again, sir? I didn't notice it.
Sir, nothing, sir. For example, look at here, sir. I want to move this. See, I'm not using mouse. I use the arrow key. Up, down, sideways. See, I'm using a mouse. Sir, not mouse. Arrow key. Okay, sir. Arrow key, sir. Arrow key.
Okay.
Control keys, no? Do you see arrow keys? Up and
Okay.
down, no? Arrow. Yeah, that can be used. Yeah. So, okay, I want to have yourself exposed to hands-on. I want to have some designs. Yeah, if you have any clarification, you can ask me. Stay up to 10 o'clock. I want to have beautiful logos designed. Yes. Have some models. Maybe you can try to replicate your own college or institutional logos with a modified way. Corporate logos are entirely different. Corporate logos that goes with letters, just letters alone. See, you should know the uniqueness of the company. Based on that, you will have to design. Not simply designing a logo. You will have to think the uniqueness of the logo. we call it as coat of arms. So we must know the tradition of the institution or organization and the motto. Only then we will be able to design. I want you to just show me if you have completed. I'm waiting for your response. Any clarification you can ask me. Please explore all the tools that are available, all the shapes that are available in the shape tools. All the shapes that are available in the shape tool. The attendance is shared. You can fill and please stay back up to 10. I want you to have hands-on and show me the model as early as possible. Please do not leave. You need to stay up to 10 o'clock. I want you to have hands-on quickly. I'm here. Please ask me for clarification. I would like to take up your queries if you have any. Please feel free to. Now you should cultivate the habit of aesthetic sense in usage of colors. You must have aesthetic sense in colors. The colors should be good. Colors and the font that you use should be good. Anybody is ready to give me your design so that others will be motivated?
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, yes, sister. Yes, sister, come on.
After pasting the shapes on the screen,
Yeah.
and we want to move it later, it moves along with this the background screen. So what should we do, sir?
Sister, I will just show you. 1 minute. Look at here, sister. I just have a shape. Look at here. I brought a shape. Okay, this is a shape. Now see, take this one. Take this one. I'm sorry. See, you have this one, sister. Just in the middle,
Your
click over
screen is
here.
not visible, sir.
1 minute, sister. I've shared it, sister. Is it not visible to you? I'll just do it again. Is it visible to you, sister? Am I visible to you? Sister, am I visible to you? Am I visible to you,
No,
sister?
sister, no.
But I'm sharing,
No,
sister.
sir. It's blank. No.
For others, am I visible to you?
Yes.
Sister, please pin my screen, sister. Sister?
I pinned, sir. Some network issue, I think, so not
Okay.
able to see.
See, sister, in the layer palette, you see a small chain like. Okay, you have to click that, sister. Only then you'll be able to move. Okay, small key like. Okay, sister. In the layer palette, along with the
In the layer palette. Yeah.
shape. Between the shape, no, there are two
Okay.
boxes will be there. Click in the between. In between. Vector mask. You should have the vector mask option.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Got,
Now you
got
move
it,
it,
sir.
sister.
Thank you,
Now
sir.
you move it. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you, sister. Anybody is ready with the design? Anybody is ready with the design? I just want to see anybody is ready with the design. Anybody is ready with the design? Tyagaraj, are you ready? Tyago?
Sir, doing, sir.
Doing. Very good. For which college, which school you are doing, or for your own institution?
For my own, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Appreciations. Be creative. Be creative. Yes, Anish sir, the attendance is here. So if you have completed, you can leave. If you have completed, you can leave. At least one of you can present. If you are ready, you can present. If you have completed, if you want to leave, you can leave. No problem. Thank you. If you want to leave, you can leave, sir. The attendance link is given. If you want to leave, you can leave. Thank you, Inigo. Thank you. Sir, tomorrow is there any? Yeah. I'm sorry. I wanted to really, but I forgot. Tomorrow there is a combined class. There we won't have class in the morning. I'm sorry for the late announcement. I will make it sure it is announced in the class as well. Tomorrow we will have combined class at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Tomorrow we have got combined class at 5 o'clock. Thank you, Vijay Sekaran sir, for reminding me. Thank you. Tomorrow
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We have combined class. Thank you. Thank you, Benny. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all. Thank you. Any clarification? You're welcome to make it. If you fill the attendance, you can leave. If you have filled the attendance, you may leave. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, dear.
sir, when I am cropping the leaf into two, sir, one part is taken, sir.
Okay.
To adjust it, when I am pressing Control T, it is not working, sir. Could not. It is not able to do, sir.
Just show it to me, pa. Show to me. Present it. Present it, pa. Yes, Tiago. Cut it, pa. Paste it. You just delete it. You delete that. Just press it. First of all, you press that, pa. No, pa. First of all, you press. No. That remove that one, pa. That selection. You first remove that selection.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just now mark it and copy it. Copy it, cut it, paste it, Control V. Yeah. Okay, you take another one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you can. Yeah. Thank you, Pa. Thank you. Thank you, Pa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you. We are winding up the session. Thank you.